Hello lefty wannabes and welcome to the channel Right Left Hand. So we have not mit, um, quite a milestone here. We are on the 6th month, which is also, we can say, half of the year. So I think that's a pretty good accomplishment over here on Right Left Hand. I mean, it's not nearly as big of an accomplishment as the first year. When I got through like 175 days or 180 days, because I was halfway through 1 year of everyday writing with my left hand. But still, it's changed focus a little bit. We're not as focused on the day to day, but more of like, okay, let's see if we can keep this up, just a few minutes every month even. And so I'm sure a lot of you are practicing outside of just doing this video, but maybe there's some of you who are just only following along with this maintenance video just to make sure that you're still kind of in check with yourself and your left hand writing capabilities. So yeah, I actually see some progress that's being made. Maybe I'll kind of do an overview of all the months of writing at the end of the year. All right, but there you have it, the 6th month of 2022. So it's really nice to see that this is all, come together, and hopefully I can finish out one more month, or not one more month, I should say one more half month. No, half year. Whatever. I think the point is gotten and understood that let's keep going. Alrighty, goodbye.